March 18th, 2018, Tempe, Arizona. The night is clear, and an autonomous test vehicle is cruising at 39 miles per hour. A safety driver is behind the wheel, but at this moment, the AI is in full control.
Up ahead, a woman named Elaine Hertzberg is walking her bicycle across the road. She isn't at a crosswalk. To a human eye, she's a person in need of space. To the AI, she is just a cluster of moving data points.
The car's sensors work exactly as designed. They see her. 6 seconds before the impact, the system detects a solid object. But this is where the decision boundary, the line between thinking and acting, begins to fail.
Here is the problem. The system couldn't decide what she was. It started toggling. First, it classified her as a motor vehicle. Then it switched to other. Just 2 seconds before impact, it finally settled on bicycle.
Because she didn't fit a perfect category, the AI stayed on the wrong side of its boundary. It decided she wasn't an obstacle that required a full stop until it was far too late.
But the failure wasn't just a glitch in the code. It was a deliberate engineering choice. To ensure a smooth ride for passengers, the developers had programmed a 1-second delay to suppress emergency braking, even when a collision was predicted.
They moved the boundary too far toward comfort, leaving no room for safety. They prioritized a luxury experience over the reality of a 40-mile-per-hour impact.
Now, imagine a corrected boundary. In a safe system, the boundary isn't a wall you only hit when you're 100% sure. It's a buffer zone.
A safety-first boundary would say, if there is even a 10% chance this unknown object is a human, we slow down immediately.
It recognizes that in high-stakes environments, uncertainty must trigger a fail-safe action. It values a jerky brake tap far more than it values a human life.
In Tempe, the system did exactly what it was programmed to do. That is the real tragedy.
The boundary was drawn by people who valued a smooth ride more than they feared an uncertain shadow.
The decision boundary is not just a line in a script. It is the literal threshold where mathematics becomes a real-world consequence.
If you don't design your boundaries to respect uncertainty, you aren't building intelligence. You're just building a machine that doesn't know how to be afraid.